Your time right now is 5:13 on a Thursday. Jackie, yesterday was really hot, but it's going to start cooling down, and tomorrow is going to be beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, tomorrow in terms of temperatures, yes, beautiful, and especially when you compare it to 100-degree heat that we saw yesterday. Tomorrow will be right around 80 degrees. Some of us will even struggle to make it out of the upper 70s tomorrow, but still with a few storms around and also the cloud cover too. Temperatures, though, out there to kickstart your Thursday. We are starting off with those temperatures already in the 70s to right around 80. It is currently 80 degrees at this hour in D.C., if you can believe that. Upper 70s over towards Annapolis and Lexington Park. So a very warm but also very humid start to the day. Those dew points are still into those 70s for most of the area. So a very soupy start to the day, and that will likely eventually we'll see those dew points dropping as we look ahead towards the end of the week, at least into the early parts of the weekend, but dropping ever so slightly. Still going to be muggy, but just not quite nearly as humid as what we saw yesterday. Highs today will top out right around 90 degrees. Now, this is still a few degrees above normal for this time of the year. Tomorrow, though, will be a few degrees below normal for this time of the year. Now, what's going on in terms of the setup? Satellite and radar showing us that we do have this stationary front situated right over our area. Now, as it does wobble a little bit, that will actually produce that shower or thunderstorm that we'll see, and that will especially develop into this afternoon. But out there this morning, starting off mainly dry. I say mainly because there was that passing shower that moved over Hagerstown, but that's continuing to fizzle as it moves its way eastward. But the rest of the area is dry. Now, later on today, that's when we start to notice those showers and storms bubbling up. Those winds will be mainly out of the east-northeast, and then we do see those showers and storms really start to flourish back out towards our westernmost areas, at least by 2 p.m., and then continue to spread their way eastward, closer towards D.C., right around that evening commute. Some of these thunderstorms could contain those heavier downpours, so be on the lookout for that, especially between 4 and 8 p.m. later on this evening, before eventually that shower and thunderstorm threat does start to wind down a little bit after midnight tonight. Then starting off tomorrow morning, cloudy, temperatures 60s to low 70s, and then as we get towards tomorrow afternoon, come with that chance for a few showers and thunderstorms, but it looks like today will be the better chance for the shower and thunderstorm development across the region. Tomorrow we still have the chances, but just not quite as widespread as today. But tomorrow we will have the cloud cover and some slightly cooler temperatures. We'll see a lot more 70s on this map tomorrow afternoon, so that is a big difference in terms of the temperatures compared to what we saw yesterday to what we will see for your Friday. Now, everyone is wondering what that Labor Day weekend has in store and what that setup will be. Well, we do have this warm front that will lift in early Friday, and that will produce a few of those showers and storms that we'll see for Friday afternoon. Then as we get towards Saturday, we are sandwiched in between that warm front and that cold front off towards our north and west. So we have some shower and thunderstorm development expected, especially into Saturday afternoon and evening. Then that cold front starts to push through. Now, Sunday, we could see that shower or thunderstorm development still as that cold front is close by, but then behind it, we are looking at much better weather as we look ahead towards Monday. So in terms of that Labor Day holiday weekend, I would say Monday on the holiday, that is the pick of the entire weekend. We'll see that lower humidity, at least the humidity really dropping through the day Monday with highs in the low 80s. Then we are looking at those dew points back in the 50s. Very dry air mass by Tuesday, feeling great out there, and we'll see those high temperatures right around the upper 70s. Shanique is back with a look at those road